welcome back to 26 Acres Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in. And once again, I am in the kitchen. And today we are going to be making blue shell crab mac and cheese, 26 acre style. Now I'm going to show you how we do it. First, you're going to need cheeses. Actually, first you need your blue shell crab, which I already pre-cooked and picked it all out of the shell. We actually went, me and my good friend Dave went out spotlighting crabs the other night. We didn't do real well, but I got enough to make something. And I wanted to share this recipe. And I forgot the GoPro, so I didn't even get any footage of us spotlighting crabs, but we're supposed to go again. Maybe we can do one then. Be a lot of fun. Plus, I got bit by one, and that was fun and funny in itself. So, cheeses I use are extra sharp cheese, sharp cheese, and seriously sharp. Like whatever basically kind of block cheese you like that's cheddar. And then some good old American cheese. And then Parmesan cheese, 3 cheese blend, whatever you like, and anything else. Any other kind of cheese you want to jam in there. So we're just going to chop this up. I got the water boiling. Going to need some noodles, whatever. I happen to like shells, so that's what I use. But you can use ziti, bow ties, elbows. And I'm going to show you how we do this, and then however you want to spice up your mac. And then I put panko crumbs on top of my mac and cheese, and we'll cook it up, and we're going to give this a taste. So let's just show you how we all do it here. And yeah, I use quite a bit of cheese. Some people make a sauce. I may not use all of this, but I'll cut it up. But basically, yeah, 3 blocks of cheese, and then we'll do it up. And I got the crab cutting board since we're cooking blue shell crab cutting board since we're cooking blue shell crabs. I thought that was fitting. My noodles out and cook them however you want. I mean, I like them a little firmer because then they soften up a little more in the oven. And then you're just going to take some out and just make a nice little layer, just enough to cover the bottom so you kind of can't see the glass. And then cook as many noodles for whatever size pan or tray or Pyrex you're using. So I got that, and then now I'm just going to now I left the cheeses in the different whatever flavors. So I'll just kind of take them, put them across, and just kind of mix them up layer to layer. Like so. I'll put some of that in. The other flavor there. Super Vermont, whatever it was. It's a lot of cheese. I'm not going to lie. Put just a couple of those. I do the orange just for a little bit of color in it. Break it up. And then you can just take a handful of crab. And now this is 15 crabs picked. I didn't use the claws because I lost my cracker. I couldn't find it. And I'm going to do a different something with that. I'm going to freeze those claws. They're cooked. And then and I'm going to show you a little sauce I make for them when I do cook those down the road. And I put a little Parmesan. And then just layer it again. Not very complicated, but when it's done, it's good. Trust me. Trust me. Have I steered any of you wrong yet? I don't know. Put a little more. And then we're going to do the same thing again with the cheese. Stack it right on there. And then, you know, you could put lobster in it. You could put whatever you like. And spice it however, accordingly to what you like. You know, I like things a little spicy. So we're going to put some crushed red pepper on top, which will actually spice up the whole thing. And then on this level, I just kind of do a layer of American cheese right across. I have no cheese, no more American cheese left. And then we're going to take the rest of the crab. Like I said, this is 15 crabs minus the claws. There may be a claw or two in here, but that's just because those are ones that were soft enough for me to break without my cracker, which I bought crackers today. So it should be good. I'm going to put that on there. That's all done. Now we're going to take the rest of our noodles, fit what we can over everything. I cooked the perfect amount, finally. Just going to spread those around. Get over the top. And we got a little bit of cheese left. Keep some for yourself for snack, as you saw me munching them down while I was cooking. Or cutting the cheese, rather. Yeah, I said cutting the cheese. Alright, and then to finish it off, we're going to put some more Parmesan or 3 cheese blend, whatever you like. And then the panko crumbs just go on top. Don't be shy with them. I mean, you want to just cover it right up. It's going to help give you a nice little golden brown crust when it's done. And it's going to keep the cheese from burning too much. Let's joe it in there. My hands are clean. And now, spice it up. Just put some pepper flakes on top. No shaker on this. Ooh. Voila. Time to put her in the oven. Let's get it cooking. And the oven is at 375 preheated. And we'll put it in there for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And you just keep checking it and you'll see through the Pyrex or whatever dish you use. I use the Pyrex. You'll see it'll be melted. The top will be a golden brown. Those panko crumbs will kind of crisp up. And then it's time to eat. I am hungry. So let's get this in the oven. Look at this, lava hot. Check it out. Oh, look at that. I don't know about you, but I sure am hungry. See, everything just melts right up. It's gonna be good eating. Smell the crab. I can, you can't. That's gonna be hot. Alright, I'm hungry. Let's eat. Let's eat. Oh, there it is. Look at that. See a little chunks of crab all mixed in. Give it a taste. That's good. That's good. It'll be different every time you cook it. just play with it. But that's just a basic, pretty easy recipe. Be good at any picnic. You know, obviously the more crab you put in, the more you catch, the more you can pack it up. So I hope you enjoyed that. We're gonna have a lot more recipes with all the things we catch. And thanks for tuning in. If you like that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want. Catch you next time.